Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Two of Wands with King of Wands. King of Wands under the deck. I think you are thinking about someone or something a lot. For some, you have options. You have to choose from those. And King of Wands. You are taking your control back. Maybe you are working on yourself. You are passionate towards your work. And Two of Wands. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see. But you are thinking a lot. Let's see your reading recent past. Seven of Wands, Four of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. Someone communicate with you. For some already they reach. For some they are going to be. Definitely there was some communication happened between both of you. But you are very defensive. You are holding back. You are not expressing your feelings. But someone was rushing to communicate with you. For some they already communicated, for some they are going to be, but you are very defensive, you are holding back. That was past. Then present, Chariot, Ace of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. I think you have option, Pisces. Maybe you are confused. And yes, for some, I think you are confused to make a decision. And your money is very good. Financial stability is coming, Ace of Pentacles. In relationship wise, your relationship is in very slow moving energy. There are some commitment issues for some. Yeah, it is very slow moving, and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer especially. But money stability, financial stability is coming. For some you have options, you have to choose from those. Then future, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and Ace of Wands. Still you are juggling. Maybe you are juggling between head, your heart, and Ace of Swords. Some communication and clarity is coming. And Ace of Wands. There is passion. Definitely you are passionate towards someone or something. And you are very workaholic person. But you have to make some decision, but you are juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make. But there is some communication and clarity is coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Three of Cups. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. So let's see your person feelings, Pisces. Ace of Pentacles. I think, yes, there are some commitment issues between you and your person. Right now, your person thinking through their logical mind. King of Swords. For some, I think right now your person is not contacting with you. Maybe you both are in no contact situation. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. Definitely your person want this happiness with you. Four of Wands, this celebration with you. but there is no equal give and take. Maybe one person is only taking, not giving. Definitely there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person treating other person as an option. So let's see their intentions. Pisces, their intentions towards you. Seven of Cups, Page of Swords, Knight of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they want commitment. Yes, they really want to offer commitment to this connection, and they also want commitment if you are not offering. So, Seven of Cups. They are fantasizing about you, they are dreaming about you, maybe they are confused for some, but they are wondering about you a lot. They are spying on you, social media, because Page of Swords energy and Knight of Cups. Your person is very romantic. They really want to offer their cup of love to you, but they are in very, very slow moving energy. Yes, right now they are spying, they are watching you. But Knight of Cups, yes, they want to come back, but again they are in very slow moving energy. And Ace of Pentacles, they want brand new beginnings with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Pisces. Yes, they have strong emotions towards you. Definitely they love you and Hierophant. Definitely they really want to offer commitment to you. Right now they're suffering in silence. They're missing you. For some, your person have regrets. Definitely they are missing you and they have strong emotions towards you and they are watching you. Maybe they're scared for rejection for some. Definitely you both have commitment issues. For some, family issues also involved in this connection. Queen, I think you Queen of Cups, you also have strong emotions towards this person. Pisces, you are working through your, right now you're working on your finances. And Page of Swords, again maybe you are also spying on them. You both are spying on each other. A lot of spying is going. Definitely I think you both have strong emotions towards each other but not expressing. You both are spying. A lot of spying is going. And you also want to offer stability. Yeah, waiting. You both are spying. You both are mirroring each other a lot and spy. Three of Wands, waiting game is going between both of you. Both are waiting on each other's. Ten of Swords. Yes. For some, I think you both are in separation. For some, you both want rebirth in this connection. You both want positive growth in this connection. You both are waiting. It's a waiting period. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Pisces. Soulmates. Twin flames. I need some space now. Don't leave me behind. I'm feeling sad without you. Free yourself. So these are the messages. So the messages are soulmates. You both could be soulmates or twin flames. I need some space now. Don't leave me behind. I'm feeling sad without you. These are the messages from your person and take what resonates. Yeah, definitely they are feeling sad. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Pisces. A personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. A time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo. Yes. If you are a person always taking in this relationship, it is the message for you. A time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo. Because when there is no equal give and take, definitely this relationship, in that relationship, there is a lot of resistance. Yes. when there is no equal give and take, and a personal issue reaches resolution full moon in Cancer. So if you are facing any problems, especially in your personal life, definitely a solution is coming for that problem. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.